Hey everybody, Justin with Lucky 8 Off-Road, and today I'm going to show you how to install our CFE rock sliders. These rock sliders are made from 3/16 steel right here in the good old US of A. It's a pretty simple install, and I'll go step by step for you. If you have a car that's got side steps on it, you're going to want to pull those off first. And you're going to reuse most of the bolt locations, so that'll make things easy for you. Grab a beer, have a seat, and I'll do all the work. First things first, you're going to want to remove the Phillips screws that are right here on this plastic trim piece. We'll get those out of the way and move to the next step. With the screws out of the way, all you have to do is get a hold of this little lower door trim piece. Give it a tug, it's held on with plastic clips, and you can remove it. Next up, there's some plastic push pins in the bottom we need to pull out. I used my little snap-on fork tool here, and I work them out, get them out of the way, and then we'll move to the next step. We're going to want to get rid of all of these little plastic clips left over. They tend to snap when you go to take them out. You can also pop them through. Any way that works for you is good for me. Let's get all of these off and move to the next one. With the help of a friend, or you can struggle and do it yourself, you want to get the sliders right here next to the door sill, align the bolt holes, and start putting in the bolts on the top. Don't tighten them down, leave them loose, because then you need to wiggle the slider to get the lower bolts in next. Once you have the 5 Allen head bolts loosely installed, go under the truck, install the hex head bolts in the bottom, and then you'll be ready to cinch everything down. With all the bolts started on the top and the bottom, cinch everything down, and your job is done. I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.